What month is it now?
It's May.
What month is it next month?
It's June.
Which month is your birthday in?
My birthday is in March.
What's your favourite month? Why?
My favourite month is August because I go on holiday.
What months are holiday months?
July and August are holiday months.
What months are school months?
September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, and June are school months.
Which months are cold in your country?
December, January, and February are cold in my country.
Which months are hot in your country?
June, July, and August are hot in my country.